going, everyone? Today I wanted to talk about a very useful tool for Saab owners out there like myself and probably you as well, especially those of us that are not super mechanically inclined, but we want to learn how to do our own work on our cars and learn how to fix things when they break. There's this great website. I actually had the owner of the website reach out to me, and I decided, why not? I'll make a video on this. This is not a paid promotion or anything like that. I just figured it's a very useful tool for Saab enthusiasts, so I figure I should share it with you if you don't already know about it. But it's called Saab WIS, and what WIS stands for is Workshop Information System, and it's basically an online, I don't know if you can call it a database necessarily, but it basically has a collection of instructions and diagrams and different things to help you diagnose and fix problems on your Saab. Back when there used to be Saab dealers, I guess there are still a couple Saab dealers technically, but back when Saab used to be in business, dealers would use this, independent shops use this all the time. So it's really a popular tool among, not just Saab enthusiasts, but mechanics and anyone who repairs these cars. So I'm going to link the website at the top of the description so you guys can go and check it out and use it whenever something inevitably breaks on your Saab. But I want to just go ahead and show you guys, ignore the ad I guess right here, but I want to show you guys, this is just the home page of the website. So you can go ahead and go through, let's say I'm trying to figure out how to do a water pump on the Turbo X back here, because that's, I guess, a fairly recent repair I did on the car. So I guess I can go, I can click on the model year of 9.3, and I can go under, all of these engine, it'd probably be under engine. So if I just go here, click on engine, and I go to V6, and I guess we go under cooling system. And I keep seeing this ad about knees, I don't care. And then I guess we'll go under adjustment/replacement. It looks like there might not necessarily be instructions on the water pump as far as I can see, but let's say we need to replace the radiator. And then we can go to remove. That's a nice little warning, basically saying, hey, don't do this when the car is hot because it's gonna shoot hot coolant everywhere. So take coolant, okay, remove fan cowling, raise the car. I mean, I'm not going to read through these instructions verbatim, but you can see there's fairly detailed, it's literally a step-by-step instruction on how to replace the radiator in the car, how to remove it, and then to fit, it even tells you exactly how many foot-pounds. I really cannot talk today, I'm sorry. Foot-pounds, it tells you exactly how many foot-pounds or Newton meters that you should torque the bolts down to. It's really cool. So that's just one example of it. So radiator, I guess, we could look up something else. I mean, why not? Let's try something like 4-cylinder petrol. You can tell this was made by someone in Europe, which would make sense because, Saab is European. And we'll do, I guess, basic engine. Let's see what's under here. Adjustment/replacement. So that's the folder you're going to be clicking on when you're looking to switch something out. And then let's try, I don't know. There's so many options. I wish I had something to actually click on. Let's just do, I don't know. We'll do balancer shafts. Why not? Let's see what they got for this. To remove. So you can see, remove ignition coils, remove connectors, remove bolts. I mean, these are very detailed instructions. You have 26 steps just on removing the balancer shafts, and then, important notes for the reinstallation, and even more steps on the reinstallation. So clearly it's, and if they reference something, I think this is cool. If they reference something and they're like, hey, use this tool, then you can click on the tool and it'll bring up, I guess a part number or a reference number for it, so you can see what they're talking about. They don't leave you in the dark here. I mean, they're giving you a lot of information. Unfortunately, there's not necessarily pictures or diagrams on all of these, but it's still something that's very useful. And if you have no idea where to start, if you get a check engine light and it says, or if you go online and you say, I have this problem with my car, and people are telling you, oh, it's the balancer shafts, and then you're like, I don't even know what that is. So you go on here and then you can, do some additional research, and you can kind of figure out what exactly you need to do to repair it. And, getting this step-by-step instruction is really kind of the it's just great for, you know, not only for beginners, but also for people who are very mechanically inclined. It's a great source for everyone. It's great that we have access to it for free, like I said. And again, this website's gonna be linked at the top of the description. So, you know, whatever's wrong with your Saab, you can go look up how to fix it. And if it's something that's broken on mine, I would happen to have a video on it. So you might wanna look on my channel, especially if it's related to cooling system on this car, or I guess a smaller couple things on the 2.0. There you have it, guys. That's really all I've got for today. I figured I'd do an entire video on this as opposed to just mentioning it like at the beginning of a video somewhere or at the end, because it's really a very important tool for Saab owners. So with that being said, I'm gonna stop talking now. If you guys enjoyed this video or found it useful, informative in any way, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.